I'm Heather Van Antwerp, and today I'm going to be explaining to you Newton's 3 laws of motion. It all began with a man named Sir Isaac Newton. One day, Sir Newton decided to take a nap beneath an apple tree. And as he was taking that nap and dreaming a most wonderful dream, he was suddenly awakened by an apple falling on his head. In that act of the apple falling on his head, he was then inspired to formulate his 3 famous laws of motion. Before I explain to you those 3 laws, you must understand the concept of force. Force can simply be defined as a push or a pull. In physics, force is measured in newtons. Evidently, they were very narcissistic back in the day. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, I can explain to you Newton's 3 laws of motion. Newton's first law states that an object in motion or at rest will remain in motion or at rest until acted upon by an outside force. This is much like a ball traveling through the air. The ball will remain traveling through the air until acted upon by that outside force, which would be the ground or my hand, like this. Now once I have it in my hand, the ball is at rest, and the ball will remain at rest until my hand forces the ball through the air once more, like that. Newton's second law includes an equation, which states force, F, equals mass, m, times acceleration, a. This means that an acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass or an object with a mass. And the larger that object's mass is, the larger the force is needed to accelerate that object. It's much like trying to kick a soccer ball, which is easily done, and then trying to kick a bowling ball, which is much heavier, so you need more force to make it move. This brings us to Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. There's a famous physics problem which best explains this. Say Mike wants to push a car. Wait. Instead of me explaining this to you, let's go outside. Let me just demonstrate. Say I want to push my car. Right now, my car is at rest and will remain at rest until an outside force, being me, is applied to it. The trick is, I have to apply the right amount of force in order to get it to move. So let's say I want to push my car so that it accelerates at 0.05 meters per second squared. And let's say the car has a mass of 1,000 kilograms. The question is, how many newtons of force do I apply to the car in order to get it to accelerate this fast? By using the equation from Newton's second law, F equals ma, we plug the numbers in and find that I must apply 50 newtons of force in order to get the 1,000 kilogram car to accelerate 0.05 meters per second squared. Whew! That was tough. But I hope that helped you understand a little bit more about Newton's 3 laws of motion. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, no matter what you do and where you go, always obey the laws of physics. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye!